Marin County housing providers operate in one of the most competitive and affluent rental markets in the country. In a world where 6- and 7-figure rental properties are the norm, the stakes are higher. You don't just own a rental property, you have a rental business. And the difference between a business that performs and one that merely gets by comes down to how it's run and how it's managed. If you're here, you already know your rental is different. It has higher demands, greater risk, and higher expectations. The old school approach of reacting to problems and hoping nothing goes wrong is outdated at best. And if you're anything like the owners we've partnered with across more than $2 billion in managed real estate over the past decade and a half, a higher standard isn't optional, it's required to optimize performance. At Foundation Homes, our philosophy is simple. Proactive beats reactive, systems beat stress, data beats guesswork. Every decision from pricing and tenant placement to cost control and risk management made with clarity and communication improves asset performance and the ownership experience overall. It's your time to shift from reacting to planning, from owning a rental to operating a business. If you're here, it means you're ready for your property to work for you and you deserve a better way to run your rental business. You're in the right place. Welcome to Foundation Homes Property Management.